Clogged drains are the worst, but you can totally handle them at home without calling a plumber every time. So, first off, grab a drain auger, which is basically a long, flexible snake that can reach deep clogs and break them up. If that doesn't work, try removing the P-trap. That's the curved pipe under your sink, and clean out any gunk hanging out there. Avoid pouring grease down your drains because it sticks to pipes and causes major blockages over time. Another tip is to use enzyme drain cleaners instead of harsh chemicals. They break down organic stuff naturally and are safer for your pipes. Make sure to run hot water after each cleaning to help flush everything out. Also, don't forget to regularly clean your drain covers and strainers to catch food bits before they slip down. If you have hair clogs in the bathroom, a simple wire hanger bent into a hook can help pull it out easily. Lastly, keeping baking soda and vinegar on hand can be a quick, natural fix when you notice slow drainage starting. One of the biggest mistakes people make with clogged drains is using harsh chemical cleaners too often. These can actually damage your pipes and make clogs worse. Instead, stick to enzyme-based cleaners or mechanical methods like augers. Another common problem is ignoring small slowdowns in drainage, which usually means a clog is forming and needs early attention before it becomes a nightmare. The fix? Keep an eye on flow and act fast with simple cleaning tricks before things get bad. The third mistake is pouring grease or coffee grounds down the drain, thinking it's no big deal, but these build up and cause serious blockages. The clear fix here is to dump grease in a container and toss it in the trash, not the sink. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess around. For contractors, it's a great way to find steady work and build their reputation in the community without all the hassle.